In recent years, just as mechanical keyboards have seen a surge in popularity among typists and gamers who value switch type, build quality, layout, and value, homeowners are similarly looking for smarter, more efficient upgrades like tankless water heaters. In this guide, we evaluate models by their heating capacity and flow rate.
List number 1. EcoSmart Eco 11 Electric Tankless Water Heater. Experience EcoSmart Eco 11 Electric Tankless Water Heater. Endless, on-demand hot water. Consistent hot water when you need it that never runs out. Continuously monitored water temperature and controlled flow rates ensure efficiency and consistent performance within 1 degree of selected temperature. Amperage draw 54A. Special features: energy efficient, saves space. EcoSmart tankless electric water heaters are 90% smaller than traditional tank heaters, may be installed on wall or at point of use. Dimensions: 11.5 by 8 by 3.75 inches.
List number 2. Rheem 18 kilowatt 240 volt tankless electric water heater. The Rheem 18 kilowatt 240 volt tankless model offers a step up in capacity for homes with moderate hot water demand. One review notes that it achieves up to 99.8% energy efficiency in ideal conditions. Water heaters now, according to product details, this unit provides hot water on demand, eliminates standby heat loss, and fits compactly. Bob Vila. Strengths: reviewers appreciate its rapid heating, consistent hot water delivery, and digital temperature control, making it well suited for 1 or 2 fixtures at a time in moderate households. Modernize.com. Potential limitations: with a flow rate of about 3.51 GPM under ideal conditions, it may not support 2 full showers plus other uses simultaneously in colder water conditions. Water heaters now. Also, installation demands are higher. Users mention the need for list number 3. Tankless water heater, electric, 110 volts. Experience tankless water heater, electric, 110 volts. Electric tankless water heater. This tankless electric water heater is made of high-quality ABS material with LED display. With 3,000 watt power, the mini water heater can raise the water by 82 degrees F, 0.3 GPM, to 131 degrees F, 0.5 GPM in seconds, providing tankless instant continuous hot water without waiting for preheating, meeting daily hot water needs. The on-demand water heater can set Fahrenheit or Celsius degrees by holding a power button for 6 seconds. Compact and efficient design. The electric water heater tankless adopts an ultra-thin and smooth appearance design, which is beautiful and elegant. The point-of-use water heater can meet your outlet temperature requirement. The larger the water flow, the lower the outlet temperature. The smaller the water flow, the higher the outlet temperature. Not suitable for shower, as shower normally requires at least 1.8 GPM. Under-sink water heater, 110 volt plug-in. List number 4. Electric tankless water heater, wind temp 27 kilowatts, 240 volts. Experience electric tankless water heater, wind temp 27 kilowatts, 240 volts. Important note: ensure this tankless water heater meets your installation requirements. The WN27 model is rated at 27 kilowatts, 240 volts, with a maximum amperage of 113A. It requires 3 by 40 amp double pole DP breakers and 3 by 8/2 AWG wiring with ground, with a recommended 250A household power supply. The unit dimensions are 11.1 inch by 19.1 inch by 4 inch. The water connection is 3/4 NPT. Stable water temperature. Automatically adjusts energy consumption based on incoming water temperature and flow rate to ensure maximum efficiency, continuous stable temperature, and optimal power usage. Its maximum hot water output is 6.5 gallons per minute. It is perfect for residential shower use, eliminating the need to wait for preheating. There's no longer any concern about running out of hot water in the tank, and you won't experience temperature fluctuations during your shower.
List number 5. 8 kW Tankless Water Heater Electric, 240 volts. Experience 8 kW Tankless Water Heater Electric, 240 volts. Important note, ensure this tankless water heater meets your installation requirements. It is rated at 8 kW, 240 volts, with a maximum amperage of 33A. It requires 1 by 40 amp DP breakers and 8 AWG wiring with ground. The unit dimensions are 9.7 by 14 by 3.4 inches. The water connection is 1/2 inch NPT. Stable water temperature automatically adjusts energy consumption based on incoming water temperature and flow rate to ensure maximum efficiency, continuous stable temperature, and optimal power usage. The digital temperature display ranges from 86 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Its maximum hot water output is 1.9 gallons per minute. It is ideal for installation under bathroom faucets and sinks.